Good news for people suffering from type 1 diabetes, as scientists have created the first ever human sheep hybrids which will make it possible for organs to be grown in animals which can be transplanted into humans. The successful project from Stanford University is also being seen as a possible cure for type 1 diabetes by creating healthy pancreas to regulate blood sugar. Scientists have previously developed human pig hybrids, seemingly opening the door that they can use them to grow human organs. However, no team has taken it to the next level. Stanford's team stands a better chance now since they have also successfully transplanted pancreas into mice, and now that they have produced a human model sheep to use. Project-led Dr. Hiro Nakuichi, a professor of genetics at Stanford, is optimistic that the human sheep hybrids would indeed be able to grow human organs in a matter of time. He said, "It could take 5 years or it could take 10 years, but I think eventually we will be able to do this." The breakthrough could also be tapped to assist in alleviating the shortage of human organs being experienced globally, just in the US.
The chimera is real. Researchers have achieved a new kind of chimeric first, producing sheep-human hybrid embryos that could one day represent the future of organ donation, by using body parts grown inside unnatural, engineered animals. With that end goal in mind, scientists have created the first interspecies sheep-human chimera, introducing human stem cells into sheep embryos, resulting in a hybrid creature that's more than 99% sheep, but also a tiny, little bit like you and me.
Now, when we Google Stanford sheep, it comes up with several things, all posted recently, February 18th, 2018, National Geographic. Scientists just made sheep-human hybrids, what you need to know. Just, on and on. Only over 1 million results anyway. Apparently they are very proud of what they've done. And when you go to the National Geographic's website, sheep-human hybrids made in lab, get the facts. Breakthrough moves researchers a small step closer to growing human organs for medical transplant. And apparently this little shot of the little of you and me was a pig embryo. Building on a controversial breakthrough made in 2017, scientists announced on Saturday that they have created the second successful human-animal hybrid, 0.01% human. They must be very proud of themselves. Pig lungs filter human blood in lab. We're not going to show that. But here it says, in response, researchers are working to artificially expand the organ supply. Some are trying to 3D print organs in the lab. That sounds like the smart way to me to do it, rather than mess with other animals and change their DNA. But hey, some people do like to play God. To make chimeras, researchers isolate one animal's stem cells, which can develop into any cell type in the body. Then they inject some stem cells from one species into the embryo of another. A tricky procedure to get right. Well, I bet that's real tricky. DNA is hacked. DNA hacking tool. Now they got it going on. Well, there are going to be some unforeseen results that come out of this. And I think we should take a look at this human-sheep hybrid and the possibilities of what may happen in the future. Or possibly, it's been going on for some time.
Well, I guess he's done.